In Europe, there's a country where thousands of tourists flock every summer to experience a freedom that's still considered taboo elsewhere. Hidden beaches, wild islands, and villages where bathing suits are optional. That country is Croatia. But the most incredible thing is this. It all began almost 100 years ago thanks to a king. And one of the beaches you'll see today can only be reached by walking a secret path through the cliffs. Welcome to the most surprising side of Croatia. In 1936, the future King of England, Edward VIII, visited the island of Rab. He made an unexpected request to swim completely naked in its waters. Permission was granted. That gesture became legendary. From then on, Croatia began building a naturist culture that today attracts visitors from all over the world. While other countries were judging, Croatia had already understood the future. Let's start with Istria. Koversada isn't just a beach. It's a European symbol of naturism. Founded in 1961, it's considered one of the continent's most famous FKK destinations. Here you'll find bungalows surrounded by greenery, scenic cliffs, spacious beaches, and a relaxed atmosphere that seems frozen in time. If you want to experience this stress-free, this is the perfect place. Just minutes from Rovinj, we find Valalta. Here, naturism meets total comfort. Well-maintained pools, well-equipped beaches, restaurants, wellness facilities, and high-end services. It's popular with couples, families, and repeat travelers who return year after year. But the real highlight comes in the evening, because Rovinj at sunset looks like something out of a movie. Stone alleys, golden lights, and a pure Mediterranean atmosphere. Now prepare yourself for the most spectacular place, Nugal Beach. You can't get here by car. You won't find any bars. You won't find any umbrellas. To get there, you have to walk about 30 minutes through Osijava Park. Then suddenly, it appears. A bay hidden between high rock walls with transparent water and absolute silence. Here, you're not going to the sea. Here, you're entering another world. Just minutes from Dubrovnik lies an island that combines history, nature, and pop culture. Lokrum. Many know it as a filming location for Game of Thrones. But few know that on the southeast coast lies a rocky area beloved by those seeking tranquility and total freedom. With free-roaming peacocks, ancient monasteries, and a perfect sea, Lokrum is one of Croatia's most unique experiences. Visiting Dubrovnik and then diving here on the same day? An experience to remember? Is naturism just a summer fad? Or is it a return to the simplicity that the modern world has forgotten? For some, it means freedom. For others, discomfort. For still others, pure mental well-being. Which side are you on? Write it in the comments. I want to read every opinion. If you want to try it in Croatia, remember 3 essential rules. Always look for official FKK areas. Respect complete privacy, no photos of others. Bring strong sunscreen and water shoes, because the Croatian sun is beautiful, but it's unforgiving. If you love discovering places that mass tourism hasn't yet ruined, sign up now. Every week you'll find incredible destinations, hidden secrets, and unfiltered travel. And if you want to support the channel, give it a like and tell your friends about it. Croatia offers more than just beaches. It offers a rare feeling in the modern world, that of feeling truly free. Now just one question remains. Will you pack your swimsuit or not?